Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here, and today I have my sad story of trying viral things that didn't work for me. And yeah, this is my subjective experience. If these things have worked for you, so happy for you, but not happy for me because wasted such a lot of money. Okay, so let's start. First I have Innisfree Black Tea Essence. Everything is so good about this, but why it is not suiting my skin? I expected it to give me glowing skin, hydrated skin. Instead, it gave me whiteheads. I can't point anything bad about this. The formulation, texture, packaging. Also, I got it for 50% off, but sadly it didn't suit my skin. Why? Hence proved, not all viral things are gonna work for you. Then I have this one. It broke my heart and my bank. This is expensive. This is Mixsoon Bean Essence. It worked for everyone. I didn't see any bad reviews when it comes to this essence. The texture is so hydrated. This is for glassy, dewy, hydrated, healthy skin. But it gave me skin irritation. Maybe the fermented ingredients, some of them, but I have used many fermented ingredients in my life and they suited me. My most favorite essence is Galactomyces essence. So I don't know, maybe soybean extract. But I have used things with soybean that worked for me. Don't know what's going on. I think this brand has issues when it comes to me. I'm not saying it's the brand's fault. It's not my skin's fault either. It's just not meant to be because I tried their soybean milk serum as well. Same thing. Not as irritating as this one, but it gave me whiteheads and clogged pores. So I think Mixsoon is officially not for me. Oh no. Am I the only one? Next I have this one from Alps. I didn't buy it, the brand sent it for collab. I love this rosemary spray that works really well for me, collabed for that. But this one is not doing it. Like, it has fermented rice water. I tried this for my scalp, makes my scalp itchy. Even I tried using this for my face, but it gave me reaction. And I have tried rice water before. I used to make DIY rice water for my hair, for my skin. My skin loved it. Don't know what's going on with this one. When I use this on my body, everything my face doesn't like, I use this on my body. Skin here is more resilient, I think. Even I use conditioner for my body, you know, before shaving. I use the IPL device, I think 2 years back. It worked so well for me, but then I stopped using it. After the weekly treatment, you have to continuously use it at least once in a month. I didn't do that because so my hair grew back and I'm shaving now, and I use the conditioners, the hair mask, the shampoos. They don't work for me. I use that before shaving. Yeah. So then I have this one, Garnier Super UV Invisible Serum Sunscreen. This is, I talked about this before. The texture is awesome but didn't suit my skin. It just feels sensitizing, drying and underwhelming because there are Indian brands who have better sunscreen than this one, and those are quite affordable. Lastly, I'm going to talk about this Maybelline Teddy Tint. That Teddy Tint has issues. So sticky. There are videos that are saying, okay, you apply this, keep this on for 20 minutes, stickiness goes. I'm happy if it does for you, but for me it doesn't. It feels really uncomfortable, heavy. I saw videos where it lasted for long, really long. For me it didn't. I hate it. Also, I got comment like, I reviewed that tint before. I got comment like, they didn't pay you, that's why you're not praising it. It's not the case. I don't collab with brands if I don't like the particular products, to be very honest. Like, even I got invitation for collab for this Garnier. It's not that they're not paying me, that's why I'm not like saying good things about them. I've worked with Garnier. I love their micellar water. It's not that I'm blaming them. Okay, I said bad things, that's why they're not gonna collab with me in the future, or they're gonna blacklist me. It may not happen, but there are possibilities. So it's not that I'm not getting paid, that's why I'm saying bad things. I really hope this worked for you. I really hope, but sadly it didn't work for me, so I have to say it didn't work. That's all for now. I really hope you find this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.